How to make your Wix website look great on all screen sizes. I'll show you exactly on how you can make your Wix website look amazing on all screen sizes, from desktops to tablets to smartphones. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a business site, having a responsive design is crucial for both user experience and SEO. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure your Wix site looks perfect everywhere. And so before we get into on how you can, let's talk about why. Over 50% of web traffic today comes from mobile devices. If your site looks awkward or broken on a tablet or phone, people will leave and your bounce rate goes up. Plus, Google now ranks mobile-friendly websites higher in search results. So this isn't just about design, it's about performance, conversions, and credibility. First things first, we want to simply use Wix Editor X or Wix Studio if available. If you're using Wix Editor X or Wix Studio, you already have more control over responsiveness. These editors are designed to let you customize layouts by screen size. You can define how each sections behave on different breakpoints, tablets, desktops, and mobile. This is ideal for advanced users or those creating more complex layouts. But don't worry if you're on the classic Wix editor, we're converting that next. So simply in the Wix website right here, you just want to log in your website. Now first things first, let's head over to the dashboard of our account right here. Once inside, you will be able to see the categories inside your dashboard like the sales, catalog, applications, and more. You want to navigate through the site and mobile application, so we will be able to see the mobile view of our website right here, and we can design this the way we want to. Simply once inside, you will be able to see all of the templates, so you can go ahead and generate a site design if you want to. By doing this, you will be able to personalize your design the way you want to. So just to make things unique, let's use the feature right here for doing so. Let's wait for the page to load in, and simply once inside, you will be able to create your template or design the way you want your store to look like. So let's just wait for this to finish. So inside this section, we will be able to see this page where you can then go ahead and edit multiple sections of your website. So if you want to click on the site profile, you can just do so, and in here you can simply change this to whatever you want to. You want to make sure that you simply enter the correct information or details. You have your site structure. So in our case, we have the homepage right here. If you want to add some FAQs, you can just do so. You have reviews, contact locations, and more. Inside, you then also have the site description, the themes, and layout. Now, if you click on the change layout, you will be able to see the entire layout of your website right here. You want to make sure that you simply type or change this into a shop or design that you want to go ahead and look at. You can also click on the tweak design if you want to go ahead and do so. And so now that you have your design, let's get back to the homepage right here or our dashboard and simply click on the design site option. Right after, you will be taken to this page where we can go ahead and edit out our site's design. Now, once again, you want to make sure that this design is for your own website. You want to personalize this. Besides, we then have our control panel where we can add elements, add sections to our page. We have the pages and menu. You have site design, add applications, business, and more. Now, you simply want to click on the mobile view right here because you want to review the entire look of your website on mobile. You want to make sure that the text doesn't overflow and get cut off like this one. It's perfectly aligned and we have spacing on each sides right here. You want to resize images so they don't dominate the screen or push the content too far. So if you found an image that is too distracting, you can just double click on it, and from here you can simply adjust this the way you want to. Now, we also want to make sure to adjust the spacing and padding to reduce scroll fatigue. Make sure that the bottoms are large enough to tap and add links that aren't too close to each other. These small details makes a big difference for mobile users. From there, you then want to use strips and containers properly. Wix has strips and containers that help maintain structure. You can use them to group related content and ensure elements scale together. Avoid placing too many floating elements on the page. Stick to the structured layout to keep things aligned and clean across devices. So, right after, you then want to enable the hide on mobile for cluttered elements. So sometimes less is more on mobile. You can simply select an element, and from here you can then choose the hide section from mobile button. From there, we will simply have a better user experience. This is a great for large videos, extra images, or long text blocks that don't translate well on small screens. From there, you then want to use the mobile control panel. Wix includes a mobile tool panel that gives you access to quick fixes for mobile formatting issues, optimized spacing suggestions, tool to align, center, or stretch elements. This is simply a handy area to tweak everything without breaking the desktop layout. You can simply go ahead and find that option by navigating through our side panel right here. Click on the mobile tools, and once inside, you then have multiple actions. In here, you have the quick action bar. It lets visitor take action to your site very fast. So you can just click on a button right here and you will be able to add it inside your website. So our quick action is going to be phone, and you can simply type your phone number right here to adjust the mobile user experience. You have other tools like the welcome screen. Introduce your brand in a stunning welcome screen. So in here, you can simply add your own logo, and you can basically add an animation to it. And lastly, you then have the browser theme color. So in our case, we are going to choose something like this color right here. Click on done, and it will simply make our mobile users even better. And so here are some bonus tips in order to even make this better. You want to keep navigation simple. Use hamburger menus or sticky headers. You want to make forms easy to fill out with larger input fields. You want to use mobile optimized fonts like Open Sans, Roboto, and Velvic Noe. Compress images to reduce loading times on mobile. Avoid using flash or heavy animation that may not run smoothly on mobile. And so that's it. Now you know how to make your Wix website look great on every device. Whether you're designing from scratch or improving an existing site, these steps will make a huge difference in how your visitors interact with your content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web design tips, and let me know in the comments below if you have any problem. Follow us, and thanks for watching.